Have you ever archived an email in Outlook and then couldn't find it when you really needed it? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unarchive emails in Outlook, step by step, quickly, and without any confusion. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Outlook interface. Next, navigate to the Mail section by clicking on Mail in the left-hand panel. Here's where your inbox lives, but we're after the emails you've tucked away. Look for the folder labeled Archive. This is where Outlook stores all your archived emails. Click on it to open and browse through your list. Once you find the email you want to unarchive, double-check it's the right one by confirming the sender, subject, or date. Now comes the important part, moving it back to your inbox. Look for the Move To option, usually an icon of a folder with an arrow. Click it and select Inbox. Just like that, your email is back in your main inbox, ready to be accessed anytime. Finally, click on your inbox to make sure the email has arrived safely. If it's there, congratulations, you've successfully unarchived an email in Outlook. This simple process ensures no important messages stay hidden, keeping your communications easy to manage. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop any questions in the comments below.